welcome back to RVC Talk. So if you look at today, this on 30th December 2024, Nifty opened within a kind of a slightly in a negative tone, but you see this day level is acted as a resistance, and we are seeing back-to-back two candles, and there is a good opportunity for us to take a PE and quick, almost like some 80 points on the negative side. But as we all know, rule number one, we always talk about when you see of the week, low of the day, or high of the week or high of the day, when these things are together, right, it acts as a strong support or a strong resistance, right? So a good opportunity for us to take in a CE when you see this exactly touch this and there is a bounce back. The same way you see this exactly touch this and a reversal, right? It's good one trade, two trades. It's good enough for the day, right? So you see, keep watching this. Probably this is going to test this level. Right now the time also, right? The market time is 13:26, and we are here, and probably it may take a 1, 2, 3, 4 candles here. That's how I am confident in terms of about my indicator. Right? And a lot of people are asking the day low is not yesterday low, day high is not yesterday high. No, these levels are not daily high, daily low. These are my indicator calculated levels. And many people are asking how you are calculating. Can you share the source code? If I am able to share the source code, I would have actually published it as an open source code, right? Why am I doing it as these many videos, and why I'm doing it as putting an effort to publish so many videos, sharing the updates and all every now and then. You keep watching this. This is going to test this. The same way, if you look at a Bank Nifty, right? Bank Nifty, it opened here. When you see this level is crossed, there is a good opportunity to take the CE side because this is a weekly high and last month VWAP and daily high. Right, and then it went all the way, and you know that the monthly low definitely will act as a resistance, and it's a very strong reversal from 51,900 to 51,100, right? 800 points fall, quick fall here, right? This is the low of the week, low of the day. There will be some pullback. Most probably there will be some pullback. You need to wait for a confirmation and then wait for a two back-to-back candles for reversal, right? Then only you take the trade because you are on the between high of the week, low of the week. Don't take trades between these. You take a trade towards CE above this. You take a trade towards PE below this once you get a confirmation. Okay, so that's how you plan your trades. And end of the day, I'll try to give a little better update about whatever rules I'm talking, randomly talking about rule number one, rule number two. So, it's on the fly. I keep saying this. And a lot of people are talking to me about whether I can take the trade exactly at this level because this confluence is there, right? Feel free to ask me. Quickly, I'll confirm it. So the intention of this is basically to educate people. Kindly don't ask for the source code, right? And don't feel bad about that, okay? Yeah, thank you very much. Hope I'll get a better trading opportunities. Now it is only 1:29 and still we had 2 more hours of market, and we should be able to see good opportunities. Let's see Nifty where it is. Yeah, it's still on the track. I'm hoping this will test this. Take my word for this one. Yeah, thank you very much.